Hi everyone, tonight I'll be making sweet Hawaiian ring. What all goes into the sweet Hawaiian ring? 3 cups chicken cooked and shredded. I cooked this earlier and they were chunks of chicken, so I cut them into smaller pieces. They are not shredded. 2 tablespoons jalapeños, seeded and chopped. 1 cup barbecue sauce. I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's Hawaiian because it is a sweet Hawaiian ring, but you can use whatever barbecue sauce that you would like. 2 8-ounce cans of Hawaiian crescent rolls and 1.5 cups sharp cheddar cheese. So let's begin. Preheat your oven to 375. Take a large baking dish. I actually have a super large pizza pan. That always works better for me when I make these crescent rings. It says to use parchment paper, but I'm going to be just using non-stick cooking spray. And then set that aside. Take a medium-sized bowl, dump in your 3 cups of chicken. I know I probably have more than 3 cups, but we'll see. That's 3.5, and I'm just going to use it all. No sense in having a 1/2 cup of chicken for no reason. Then add your 2 tablespoons of jalapeños, seeded and diced. Then add your 1 cup of barbecue sauce. And then mix that until evenly distributed. It smells so good already. I'm going to add a little bit more barbecue sauce since I had a little bit more chicken. Not a whole lot more though. Then take your 2 containers of sweet Hawaiian crescent rolls, separate them into 16 triangle shapes. And if they tear apart like that, just pinch them together. Like I said, tear them into triangles. And I'm going to set these on a baking sheet until I'm ready to use them. I'll be right back. So then take your prepared pizza pan and lay your crescent triangles with the fat side facing the center and your thin side towards the end of the pan. And you'll want to overlap them a little bit. And you want to make sure that you have like a 6-inch center, and then having that go around for all 16 pieces. And I'll be right back. All right, so here's our little sun sweet Hawaiian ring. You want to put the filling just like about right here all the way around. They are really, some of them are pretty well overlapped. But that's okay. And I'll finish that up and I'll be right back. So there we have our filling on the big end of the crescent rolls. Then take your cheese and evenly put it on top of the filling. You can be generous with the cheese because you have 1.5 cups and you're going to need some for the top, but not a whole lot. So set aside the rest of the cheese. You will need it. Now comes the fun part. We're going to take the crescent roll and we're going to wrap it over and then tuck it under the circle. And there will be some spaces in between where you can see them, and that's okay. Tuck that in, wrap that over, and tuck that in. and I'll finish that up. I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like with it all pulled over and tucked under. We'll put it in the preheated 375-degree oven for 24 minutes. So after 20 minutes, I took it out of the oven. It's nice and golden brown. We'll take the leftover cheese and sprinkle that on top. And put that back in the oven for 2 to 3 minutes or until the cheese has melted. All right, so after 2.5 minutes, the cheese is melted. As you can see, I didn't get some of these tucked under, but that's okay. But normally, you usually put something in the middle. And I was trying to figure out, well, what goes with the Hawaiian ring that would be Hawaiian that I could put in the middle. So you want to take a heat-proof bowl, stick it in the middle, and put some drained pineapple in there. So I'll get this dished up and then Dave can do a taste test. So here is the sweet Hawaiian ring. And rounding out the meal is cut up pineapple. Let's see what Dave thinks.
Cheesy looking.
It's sweet Hawaiian ring.
Okay. I kept thinking I was going to get something spicy in there, but it's not.
It does have jalapeños in it.
Oh, maybe that's what I'm smelling.
But they're de-seeded, so they're not very hot.
Oh, there was one I just found some crunch. I could tell the flavor was there, but it's evidently either the sweetness is counteracting the pepper, or these peppers are just not hot, but the flavor's still there. I like it.
Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.